Welcome to Insider Trading Team, India's first insider trading channel on YouTube. The dark side of stock market. The stock market can have a dark side, as it can be influenced by various unethical practices such as insider trading, market manipulation, and fraud. Insider trading is the illegal practice of using non-public information to make trades in the stock market. This can occur when corporate insiders, such as company executives or employees, use their inside knowledge to make trades that will benefit them personally. Market manipulation is the act of artificially inflating or deflating the price of a stock through illegal means, such as spreading false information or using insider knowledge to influence trading. Fraud can also be a problem in the stock market. This can include companies or individuals misrepresenting the financial performance of a company, or making false statements to inflate the value of a stock. Ponzi schemes, where returns are paid to existing investors from funds contributed by new investors, rather than from profit earned by the operator, also falls under fraud. Another example of dark side of stock market is high-frequency trading, HFT, which is the use of advanced algorithms and powerful computers to execute trades at high speeds, often at the expense of other traders. All these practices can harm investors, companies, and the integrity of the market as a whole. Come join the community, and beat these big players on their own turf. Subscribe now on YouTube.